AI keeps getting better and smarter. This time I'm using Bard, and here is what I want it to do. Please give me a recap of the following video, and then I put in the link to the video for which I want the recap. So let's hit the submit and see what it gives me. It gives me a recap, and then it goes into key points from that video. And then it shows you the image of that video. I think this is a pretty good recap with details, and it's something I'll be using in the future. Good job, Bard. Thank you. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.